Hey there, everybody. This is Charlene Davis, and I wanted to talk a little bit about cash in the box today. If you are looking to earn money online, or if you've been struggling to earn money online, this could be a great opportunity for you. There's two elements to this business. This is essentially a direct mail business where you get flyers and you put them in the mail, okay? Doesn't require any special skill. Envelopes, stamps, peel and stick labels, and you mail so many flyers per week, and you will have new members joining you. You walk to your mailbox and you can generate an income. No special skill to do it that way, okay? You can also promote cash in the box online if you want to earn additional money faster. I recommend doing it both ways, okay? So for the month, well, not for the month of October, but right now for a limited time, you can get started with cash in the box and receive some really great incentives. So there's a number of different ways you can get started. There's something for every budget. You can get started at $25, $50, $100, $200, $500, and even $1,000, okay? So it depends what your budget is. You can certainly get started. This is a 2-level program or a 2-level flyer. So what that means is if you choose to get started at the $100 level, you would mail $100 to your sponsor, which would be me, or mail it or pay it online. And then you would also send $100 to the admin. The admin will then send you out a marketing packet, and you will get stamps, peel and stick leads on labels, and all of the flyers that you'll get a copy of your flyers in a digital format emailed to you that you can just print off and stick in the mail, okay? However, the special for a limited time, they haven't given us a deadline yet, but it'll probably only be for a couple of days. Get started at the $100 level. That would mean $100 to me and $100 to the admin. You will get bumped up to the $500 level. So that means you could earn up to $500 per sale, okay? If you come in at the $200 level, you will get bumped up to the $1,000 level. Okay, so you can start earning up to $1,000 per sale. The other bonus with coming in soon during this limited time offers, we have a sister company called Cash Inbox. It is our online sister company. It's normally $125 to get started with that. We are currently giving it away for free. So if you come in at the $100 level or the $200 level, get bumped up, plus get the online version of that for free to earn $125 instant cash payments directly to you, okay? So get started as soon as possible. Contact me. My contact information will be below this video. Call me, text me, comment below, connect with me on Facebook. I'm online all the time. I always have my phone with me and I can answer your questions. But if you're interested in taking some of your business offline to have another stream of income, or you just simply are struggling to make money online, then this could be it for you. Just simply take the flyers, and I have them right here. Take the flyers. Okay, let's say you're going to mail out a couple of these. You're going to mail these. You're going to put them in an envelope. You're going to put a peel and stick label on that envelope and a stamp and your return address label. I recommend putting your return address label on them. It just helps the open rate when somebody at the other end gets your mail. And then start earning cash in your mailbox right away. And there's a couple. and get payments sent directly to you in the mail. And with this, you get the online version, like I said, for free. And you can also promote that online and have an online income as well. Okay? So don't wait to get started. Contact me right away. Contact me today. Like my video, share my video. Anybody who's looking for an online or home-based business, if you have some additional time looking for some extra income, the direct mail flyer business is alive and well. This is a great time of the year to get involved with a business like this. And remember, people hang on to these flyers, so sometimes they might not get started right when they get them, but they will get started eventually. So I may mail a flyer today, and someone may join in a month from now until they save up the money to get started. So these programs do work. They're 100% legitimate, and people have been earning online or direct mail for years, 10, 15, 20 years with programs like this. So they do work, and don't hesitate. Get started. Contact me. Facebook, call, text, comment below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.